Welcome back, it's Bad Food. I'm Matt. These are the recipes and food that escaped your grandma's attic. We have the meat cake that everyone deserves. The Bologna Cake, or Bologna Cake if you're from Western Pennsylvania like me. So let's get started. On the field today, we got American cheese, spray cheese. We got 2 packets of cream cheese, any kind you like. I went with thick cut, hearty bologna just to give it some volume, and a little bit of dry Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. There's only 4 items. This one's been getting quite a bit of notoriety recently. I've been seeing it all over the internet, so we are going to give it a try. Over in Sweden they have something similar, but at least they throw bread and lettuce and tomato before they cover it up with the Miracle Whip. I do believe that's what it is. I have to look up with the name. If you know the name of it, please mention it below, and while you're at it, if you haven't, hit that like and subscribe buttons. Yes. And then if you really like it, hit that bell so you know every time I come out with a brand new Bad Food video here on YouTube. Alright, there we go. 1. Since we're past my favorite holiday of Halloween, of course Marine Corps birthday, we're going to be launching some recipe videos of your least favorite Thanksgiving and holiday dishes. So look forward to that. We got some pretty cool things like eggnog cake. We also got, or eggnog pie, I have to look. We also have some things like red hot salad, which is something I actually remember as a kid. And then we're going to get into a couple disgusting foods that I really like, that I learned from my aunt who grew up during the Depression era. So all that coming in the next few weeks. Now what you want to do is you want to take your Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, liberally apply it to your cream cheese. I'm not going to go too tough because I'm really not going to eat it. I like my ranch. And then we're just going to take a beater. And I left this cream cheese out today to soften. It's still pretty, I hope I can incorporate a little air into this because this is going to be very, very, very difficult to apply to our bologna. Oh, look at that. Looks just like frosting. Oh, let me lick the beater. Actually, that'd make a hell of a chip dip. That's pretty damn good. Alright, now I gotta go wash my hands. I'll be right back. And you know what? I'm taking these beaters with me. I'm gonna eat them. And I'm back. So I got my fluffy ranch cream cheese dressing. I know I don't have an offset cake spatula. Listen, all you baking kids, I moved to a new area, and it's like the perfect 80s horror movie place. You know, the one you see is like, Barry, call the cops. They're 45 minutes away. They're not going to get here in time, Jimbo. That's the type of town I live in now. I grew up in something even smaller, but they have a Walmart, but it's a baby Walmart. It's about the size of this table right here. And they don't have everything that regular Walmart has. But it's cute. Alright, let's get to this. This is going to be a quick one. We're getting down and dirty right now. So, and I only got one little spot of cream cheese on my, oh, it's so thick. Oh, yep, there we go. So what you want to do is you want to take the bologna and you want to get a little bit of cream. Oh, you know, the bologna juice is making it not want to cooperate. So, anyway, so we're gonna have to mess with this a little bit. So I'm gonna start in the middle where it's sticking a little bit better, and try pulling out to the edge here. Luckily, the bologna has suction cupped to the plate. So anyway, so that's what you want to do. You want to start like that. Look, I don't even have. So sorry to the OCD people out here freaking out that it's not perfectly centered in the plate. We want to take that, and then we want to go like that. So we're building our little layer cake here. but we're making it out of meaty meat. So we take this and then we just pull it out, 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 pull it out. So, and then you just keep layering your bologna and your thing. In the example pictures, they have these perfectly like layered sections in there with, you know, perfect 1/4 inch spacers of frosting, if you will, in there. And I'm sure food style has been it. So my dog's arguing with me right now. You can hear my dog here. A couple days ago, it was the Marine Corps birthday, 245 years, romp stomp. Well, I won't tell you the rest of it, what we used to say. But happy birthday to all the Marines out there, and happy Veterans Day to all the vets who past and present and future who have and will wear the uniform. And I figured, you know, every year, the Marine Corps birthday, you know, there's a big Marine Corps ball, and part of the ceremony is the cake cutting ceremony before we get wild and loose, where, you know, the youngest Marine serves the oldest Marine, or oldest Marine serves the youngest Marine. And it's kind of like a weird bra wedding, but it's tradition and it goes on. And then we go to all out, just having a good time and imbibing way too much and social lubrication. And by the end of the night, we're usually drinking out of our dress shoes, but those are good times that you'll always have with your brothers and sisters of the United States Marine Corps. And to be honest with you, this is the cake we deserve. This is this is a barracks rat special. So if you know what a barracks rat is, you can let everybody know below. I'll let you guys answer that one. So barracks rat, how hard is it to stack bologna in a straight line? Obviously, it's pretty hard, huh? So now I'm starting to get like messy. So I'm gonna leave a couple things there. You know why? Because I'm doing this. I'm actually getting hungry for a bologna sandwich. Now, after I eat this, after I make this and cut it and then give it a try, I might not be revved up to have a nice bologna sandwich. But this is your bologna meat cake. Now I got frost all around the sides and everything like that. See, I need one of those cake turners where I can put it on there like we used to have at the bakeries when you were in culinary school, so you could just spin that baby right around, you know. Oop, there we go. We're gonna take it. We're gonna mess it around. Oh, this is not gonna be pretty. Oh. Oh, it's like this big glob right here. It doesn't wanna. Oh. So it's like a little. Oh, it's like this one little glob here. It doesn't want to work with me. So. And that's about it. That's pretty straightforward. There's not a whole lot to it. So let me get a knife. We'll cut this. I gotta get this. I gotta kind of get this lip right here, like this, you know, so it looks more like a cake. But it looks like a cake. But what people don't realize, it's a little cake of hate and discontent. So let's do it like this. We're gonna cut a little mini square. It's like a mini cake. Oh, you know what? You know what? Oh, look at that! Look at that! That worked out better than I thought it would. I'm like a proud papa. Check it out. It looks cool, right? I can't say what it'll taste like, but it does look cool. And when you cut it, it does have this like little cool effect of like, you know, this is the meat cake that you deserve. And I want you to have it. I want you to have the meat cake you deserve. Because it makes me so happy just seeing it. It's so pretty, I almost hate to eat it. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Y'all didn't say anything, but I gotta do the little... Alright. Oh, that, I don't know what just happened, but it just went nuts with me. I remembered my cheese. I had to do my cheese. Y'all y'all didn't tell me. Forgot about it. Now look at it. I got my cheesy cake. It's my meat cake. Alright, now we got a final project. I almost hate to eat this thing. I don't know why. This is possibly terrible, but I'm gonna. That's not good. It's definitely not cakey consistency. And now, let's see. Just because I didn't get any American cheese on. Not gonna be having a bologna sandwich. The cream cheese it's just like taking a big old block of cream cheese and just going. There's a little bit of hint of garlic from the ranch, but whoo! That'll reach straight up and grab you by the boo boo if you ain't careful. No, that thing is cardiovascular disease on a plate. I mean, all you taste is cream cheese. You can taste a little bit of the American cheese spray because it's a disgusting scale. Just because all you can taste is cream cheese, and I like cream cheese, but it's just like way too much. You know, it's too much. I give it a 7 on the disgusting scale. This was a total waste of lunch meat, and I'm not going to be having that bologna sandwich that I said about earlier. So this is Bad Food. I'm Matt. I'll catch you next time. Bye.